Hi guys, here's another video. I've got this pushchair which has reported problem difficult steering. That's the make there, and you can see down here the front wheels don't pivot easy, and when there's a child in there it's even worse. It's difficult to turn, difficult to steer. It'll move backwards, okay, but not forwards. So I'm going to be having a look at that today, see if I can resolve it. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, I'll try to do is remove the wheel on its axle, but that seemed a little bit difficult with assistance from the owner. So here, what I'm going to do is just pop this rod inside the hub, and just tuck it right at the top there, because this is where the wheel swivels. Okay, now that I've got that in there, all I've got to do now, I've got this syringe with grease inside. I'm just going to push that up to the top, and it's a blunt needle. It's not quite a sharp needle, and you can see the grease coming out the top there. So what I'm going to do is just top that up the side where I've poked the bit of wire in there, and I'm just going to press the syringe and fill it with grease. You see there, just slowly going in, and I think that side's pretty much done. So I'll just pull this rod out, and all I've got to do is just spin it a few times so the grease circulates, the white grease, so it circulates, as you can see me doing there. And then you're going to see the owner do a little inspection, make sure my work's okay. You see here, he's just checking it out, make sure my work's up to scratch. Thank you very much. While he's doing that, I'll do the other side. Same again, just pop this rod in and then just squirt some white grease in with the syringe. See there, just pop that in alongside the rod and just press the grease inside. You can see there, you can see some of the grease coming out actually, the white grease. Just push as much as I can inside there, and that's done. So all I've got to do is just pull this rod out as before, and just spin it a few times. Make sure the grease circulates, as you can see here, and I'm quite happy with that. Just spin it a few more times, and just rock it. Just make sure the grease fully circulates. Okay, now that's pretty much done, all I've got to do now is put some oil on the wheels, on all 8 wheels. Just going to oil them up so this runs freely also. And once I've oiled the wheel, it's just a matter of spinning them, and you'll see the owner once again come to check my work. You can see there, he's spinning them himself, making sure they're spinning okay. So I'm happy with that. So it's just a matter of testing it. I'm testing it inside the house. You can see there, this does full turn easy, whereas before it wouldn't turn at all, or it was very stiff, difficult to steer, but now it's free, as you see there. I'm pretty happy with that, so I'll just test it outside. Just do a U-turn here, and that seems fine. And I'll just turn it right here. So I'm pretty happy with that. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.